Alright, let's watch Dad. I think this one's called the cactus tree. See what it does. Whoa! That one's pretty. Oh my goodness. What do you think of that one, guys? Yeah, that one's not too bad. That one lasts a long time. That's cool. Is it all done?
I think it's done.
I hope so. Ooh, that one's smelly. Oh, look at that smoke.